Hi, my name's Ashleigh. This is my make and create workshop video for God's House Tower. In this video we're going to be making some little towers based on our homes at the moment, which I know we're probably all very focused on because we're having to stay inside. My practice usually involves a lot of scribbly drawing and a lot of writing. You can kind of see the scribbly drawing in the background actually, which works out quite well. But I do tend to write a lot about my own experiences, and I think a lot of people could probably do with writing about their homes right now, getting a lot of the frustration of and thinking about how important our homes actually are to us, especially in this sort of environment that we've all ended up in now. So I'm going to show you just a few little steps to make these fun little towers that represent our homes. So I drew a picture of my home, which I share with my best friends, and as I was drawing it I was thinking about how lucky I am to be able to share my home with people I like so much. And then once I'd finished drawing I wrote a bit about those feelings and how great it is to have a safe space with these people and everything my home has done for me. And then once you've finished your drawing, it's time to get ready to make it into a little tower. So on the back of the picture, I planned out what I was going to cut out. So I cut out some windows and a little door and some turrets to make it look like an old-timey tower. And then once you've done that, it's time to think about rolling that picture up into a column so it forms a little tower. I did mine in 2 little towers. You can do as many as you like. I used tape to secure mine in place, and then you're left with these little paper towers. I've got too many knickknacks in my home, so I played around and put them in my little tower. It's just a fun little activity to make some cute little paper towers that represent your home. I mean, if you do have as many ridiculous little knickknacks as I do, you can play around with it a bit and it becomes a bit like a little makeshift doll's house. Well, I hope you're all staying safe and well, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.
Hi, my name is Mia. I'm the acting programme lead at A-Space Arts. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and if you can spare a few pennies for GHT, please follow the link in the description below to donate to our PayPal account. The money you donate will help support the organisation through this difficult time and allow us to continue developing content like this to keep us all entertained at home. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here and hitting subscribe, and you can watch more quality content from GHT by clicking here. Thanks again everybody, and stay safe.